Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. So I have updated many multi-bagger in the recent days. Kindly watch the video. So now we are going to discuss about another multi-bagger stock. It's a long-term multi-bagger, and so we are going to discuss about in details. Actually, it's an undervalued share. So I will show you the company name. It's Texmo Pipes Products Limited. So they are the major manufacturer of UPVC pipes and HDP pipes and the accessories. So currently it is trading at 29.85. So this is the right time to accumulate. You can see here the rally you can see here, and it's very undervalued share, and surely the rally will continue from here, and we can see that. So before we are going to the fundamental of the company, so we will go into the details of the company's website. You can see here this is a company website, and kindly watch the video till end. So we will discuss in details about the company's fundamentals. So you can see that the total number of dealers 2500, and own vehicle and also their team. So it is mentioned there, and company currently they are increasing their strength. That means the production capacity as well as their investment already they have increased. So you can see their products range. So UPVC pipes and fittings, SWR pipes and fitting, plumbing pipes and fittings, and also submersible column pipes, rigid PVC pipes, casting pipes for tube well, and HDP coils, HDP products, HDP sprinkler pipes and fittings, deep irrigation system, section hose, garden pipes. So these are the major products. As of now we are using solvent cement conduit pipes. So conduit pipes and all, for the electrical conduits and pipes. So and these are the building materials actually. So it's a major market in India, and it's an emerging market. You can see their client range. So BSNL, almost all the government sector they are covering. You can see here BSNL, and also Power Grid Corporation, MTNL. So and also corporates like Tata Power, Idea, Reliance Communication, Siemens, and their dealers. You can see there around 450 dealers all over India. So they are one of the major manufacturer of UPVC pipes, HDP pipes and fittings. So we will go into the fundamental of the company. You can see here currently we are in the income statement. While we are looking into the income statement for past years, you can see here the company is increasing their sale. Gradually they are increasing their sale. You can see here every quarter they are every year they are increasing around 25 to 50 crore in their portfolio. So it means they are increasing their market share. So this is a good sign. And while we are going into the balance sheet of the company, you can see here every year they are increasing their reserve and surplus. You can see here it's a good sign for a company. And while we are going to the assets of the company, you can see here each year they are increasing their assets. So it means their production capacity is getting increased. That's the reason its market share and the reserve surplus is getting changed. So it's a good sign for a company. And while we are going to the company's shareholding patterns, you can see here company is gradually increasing their shareholding, and there is no pledge at all. So it's a good sign also. And while we are going to the company's current um, trading price, you can see here current trading price is around the 30 range, 28, 29 range, and you can see book value per share is 74.39. It's a good sign. And face value per share is 10. And you can see here the market capitalization is only 87 crore, while the companies are company is having yearly sale of around 250 to 300 crore, and company's asset is around 340 crore, including their reserve and surplus itself is around 187 crore as of now. So it's a excellent multi-bagger stock for the coming days, and it will be a long-term multi-bagger also. So try to add Texmo pipes and the products in your portfolio whenever you find um, your fund available. Try to add it. So surely this will perform in the coming days. It's a long-term multi-bagger. So this is a right time to enter, a right time to accumulate. So thank you very much, and our target will be almost 100 for 3 to 4 years. Thank you very much. If you didn't subscribe